Ciao Tesla people. I wanted to show you something that changed in the software update 2025.2.6. Something has changed in the service mode. So I'm here in the service mode panels, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 things have changed, and that depends also on your model. So let me read first the one that has changed. So the brake burnishing, this is for legacy model S and X. So burnishing procedure parameters have been updated to reduce the need for cornering to almost a complete stop during each cycle. Okay, so these are for Model S and Model X. Then there is a change, charge port calibration. The charge port door calibration routine, and there is a variable there, and charge port latch calibration routine have been added to the charging panel. I'm going to show you. Those routines are required to be running following replacement of the charge port or charge port door. These are all for Model 3s and Ys, okay? Then there is a single viewer panel. A new single viewer panel is available to monitor multiple signal values live on a graph. If one or more of the signal values is unavailable, the graph will stop updating. To access the new panel, tap Tools, Signals, Viewers. These are available in all AMD Ryzen MCU cars. I was looking for it and I didn't find this. So most likely is for service mode for Tesla, not the advanced version, not for normal users. And then the last one is a noise recording panel. To improve the user experience, the recording duration has been decreased to 30 seconds, and reliability of the download routine, and there is a routine name, and then it has been improved. This is only for the Cybertruck. Okay, so let me go through to the charge port calibration. So I'm in the inside the service mode, and you can see the charging, the high voltage panels and the charging. If I go to charging, there are some bunch of information about the charge port here. Of course, I'm not charging, so there is 0 amps flowing in. And there are a bunch of information about the cable. You see the charge port, there is a cable state if it's disconnected. Latch state is engaged, so the charging port is closed. And then back cover present. And then a UHF button press detected. AC pin temperature, 18 to 18 Celsius, whatever. And DC pin temp. So these are all information that you get for the charging port, which is interesting. So you can check the temperature of the pins, which is very interesting. So if I go back to the charging, the high voltage, then you get some more graph and UI changes that probably is not only on this software update, but the previous ones, since I didn't check, so I wanted to check it right now. And you see you have a flow of the energy inside the systems here, okay, which is very, very interesting. So this is the HVIL, and then, for example, the drive unit, it tells you which one are engaged. For example, I have a speed limit turned on, and then the motor mode I have normal. So mine is a Tesla Y, Model Y performance. So I can select the front or rear motor to check. There are the drive interface, okay, the battery pilot state. And so you can have all the information that you need for everything here. Very, very interesting. Okay, so these are information that are available in service mode. So when you go, for example, to Tesla, they have this one, but also they have a more detailed one where there are a bunch of tests that they run when something is wrong. Okay. I don't know how to access that, but I don't want to mess up anything, so I will refrain from it. But I think you need to be a technician from Tesla to access that, and there are a bunch of codes, something like that. I read somewhere. Anyway, so there are 4 changes. Let me a second. There are 4 changes changed, and so please check it out. Very interesting. I'll give you some more news in the coming days, because I have something coming up. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and use my Tesla referrals. If you buy a Tesla, use it, and you get $500 or $2,000 in the US, and 500 euros here in Europe. Anyway, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.